Are you struggling to manage on-ground field surveys and collect location-based data efficiently? In this video, I'll show you how to create, assign, and manage construction surveys using MAPOG Surveys Dashboard, from setup to real-time data collection. First, go to story.mapog.com. Click Operations and Planning, and select Survey and Data Collection. To begin structuring your inspection workflow, click New Campaign, then add your project title and description, along with survey duration. This helps define your survey structure right from the start. Next, go to Location Type section and click Create New to create a custom location template. Click the new type, then give a title, choose a color, and set the geometry type as point. Then add attributes like location name, area type, accessibility in text, select, and multi-select format. Enable contributor option, so your field teams can update data directly from the site. Then click Create Type to save your template. Now select your template from the drop-down. You can also enable permissions that allow users to add and edit locations. Then click Save and Next. Now, build your survey by adding questions. Use Add Question to include types like text, select, multi-select, or image. For example, what is the current status of a section, with options like active, inactive, or under maintenance. Structure questions ensure consistent data collection and better tracking. Then click Next. Now, upload your survey locations using Upload CSV/Excel option. Then click Upload. Set a unique ID to identify each location. Match the columns correctly and align the coordinates. Once uploaded, all locations will instantly appear on the map for a clear visual overview. Use the Add Member option of Add User to add new ones by entering their email addresses and selecting roles like Admin or User, and select who will conduct the survey. You can then assign specific areas by drawing polygons on the map. This ensures each team member knows exactly where to work. You can also use filters to assign unassigned locations quickly. When everything is ready, launch your survey by pressing the Launch campaign. Field users can then open the MAPOG Contributor App, view their assigned locations, add new locations, using the +Find New Location button, and fill their title and description. Then click Save Location to save the location. Next, they can fill out the surveys with all collected information, upload or capture images, and submit or save drafts. Meanwhile, you can monitor progress from the dashboard. You'll be able to track whether tasks are accepted, completed, or still pending, giving you full visibility of progress. You can also open the data table to filter responses by accepted, pending, or using name, making analysis faster and more efficient. Export your survey data in CSV format for easy access and analysis. In the Review section, admins can verify submissions, accept or reject responses, and update their status. Go to the Add layer on a map for better visualization and insights into collected data. And that's how you can manage end-to-end surveys using MAPOG. To explore more GIS tools, visit story.mapog.com. For support, reach out at support@mapog.com.